My current work area is really cramped and I have no space to work on my bikes at all, and it also gets very wet. So I decided to break the bank and make my own dream e-bike garage. So the first thing I did was buy the roof, and the hardest part was to assemble it. Alright, so first thing we need to do is read the instructions because I'm not smart. And oh, it gives us gloves. Okay. Someone in the comments said the only thing that's bad about the videos are my gloves, and it pisses one of you guys off. So I'll make this my new riding gloves. Let's put these on. These are my new riding gloves now. Do you like these gloves now? Let's go. Alright y'all, took a big break. It's getting nighttime right now. Let's continue working and get this roof done by tonight. Alright guys, so this is the last screw. Let's get down from here. This is so sketchy. So after that, it started to rain pretty hard, and I went to check and see how the roof was doing. It looks like it's doing well, except for there. It's flooding right there. But I don't see any raindrops, so this is a nice test. Yeah, look how much water is going down. Alright guys, so the roof is done. Look at this. This is actually a pretty nice space down here. There are two things missing from here: the floor and the lights on top right here. And electricity, actually. We'll see what happens next. But the next thing I need is a storage cabinet because my workbench is quite dirty and I have nowhere to put all of these cans. So I bought this storage cabinet and I bought the lights. But the storage cabinet came first, so I started assembling it. And then boom, look at this. This cleared up my work table and I transferred everything to that storage cabinet. And then the lights came in. So I started assembling them and wiring them up to a temporary outlet. And look at how bright this is. This is insane. I actually can't believe how bright this is. And now I am left with one option: the flooring. I was looking at some other types of flooring. I asked ChatGPT and it told me wood floors, or I had some ceramic tiles in the back, or epoxy, which I don't think is good. And then I just remembered, I went to this race, I saw these floor tiles, and man, they do look good. And I remember seeing them in offline Dylan videos too. So I was like, I should get this because it looks nice. So I bought it. Alright y'all, so we finally got the flooring right here, made by Vivor. I didn't get anything too crazy expensive because I don't think it's worth it. But let's unbox it right now. Ooh, look at this. Oh yes. So my plan is to have this all over, like right under this roof. I'm not gonna extend it out here. I'm not gonna extend it out there, but I'm gonna have it like within the poles of this roof right here. So first thing we did is clean up the whole area with this big vacuum right here. And then after, we pressure washed the whole thing. It's very dirty. Look at all that dirt. And then after that, we just assembled the floor tiles just like that. Easy installation. Yo, look at this. It's complete. We got the flooring under here. Look at how nice the floor is. And look at the lighting on the bike too. It's so like good. Man, got the hexes up here, got the roof. Now the next step is putting plywood on top and raising this bench. So let's do that. I forgot to record the build part. Pretty clean. And now we're moving on to the next part. Alright y'all, so we're gonna clear this area up for the go-kart because we have nowhere to put the go-kart. And look at what we found. What is this? It's like a mystery brain-eating water right here. But now we're gonna spill this thing out. Oh! Ew! It got on my toes.
Actually?
Yeah. Alright y'all, so the workshop is finally done. I can't believe this thing has been done in such a short time, but this is so nice. And I'll give you guys a tour of the whole area right now. Before I get into that though, some of you guys may be wondering, how much did all of this stuff cost? And I'll break it down to you. So, the structure, roof, is 500 bucks. Concrete anchors, 20 bucks. Floor, $150. So, the structure added up is $690. For electrical, outlets were 30 bucks. Surge protector is also 30 bucks. And the most important part, the Hexagon lights, they were 60 bucks. And all of that together is 120. Organization, the cabinet, 130. Tabletop, 35 bucks. All that together, $165. Equipment, I always use the cat litter box as my bike stand. And I want to step up a little bit. So I got a bike stand for 40 bucks. And I want to step up my tool game too. So I got this compressor and all the tools together for $350. And that adds up to $390 for equipment. The total sum for this whole workshop is $1,345. I thought it would cost more. Now aside from that, I'll show you guys the tour now. Alright y'all, so the first thing is the workbench. Obviously I just talked about it, but this thing has a nice flat surface right here. You may get splinters still, so I still have to take care of that. Right here we got a chair, a nice work chair. Gasoline, obviously for the Surron. A ramp, tool chest right here. And then we got the bike and the bike stand. It's a very nice area to work in, especially with this flooring. And it makes things feel less dirty. Got the trash can right here. This is a 30-gallon air compressor. And we got electricity back here too, with more outlets back here. And this is the switch for the Hexagon lights, as you can see right here. Yeah, so I can do everything here. Like, this is such a big space compared to this thing right here. This thing has no space. Like, I can literally stretch my arms from here to there. And let's take a look at this space right here. So right here is the OG workbench. There's a lot of junk on here still. I moved this thing over here because this place always gets wet from the leaky roof. Some stuff fell over right here, but oh wow. Wow. Oh yeah, I also got a truck too, so I can take my bike anywhere. It's still in the mechanic right now because there's some sort of problem. It's alright though. I'm getting that fixed for free. That's it. Let's get riding. Alright y'all, so we are finally riding again. It's my first time recording after basically a month. It has been a while. I apologize for the long wait, and my GoPro mount is broken. That was horrible. Oh my, that did not sound good for my suspension. If you guys made it this far, I wanna do another giveaway. I'm gonna be releasing a new shirt pretty soon. Not even a shirt, a hoodie, anything. A new piece of clothing. I don't know the design yet, but if you wanna join the giveaway for free merch, I'll give it away to 2 winners. 2 winners, okay? All you gotta do is subscribe, follow my Instagram right here, comment on my Instagram post on Razorback. So that's all you gotta do to join the giveaway, and I'll see you guys then. In this video, I built a whole workshop, constructing the roof, putting together racing floors, replacing all the tools that are going bad in my workshop.